Hello guys, good morning. I'm here in Calidia Family Park. There's so many people playing volleyball here. See, they're playing volleyball. I'm going to the water fountain. See, this is the family park, Calidia. It's the view. The sun is not yet coming out. I'll just go walking. I'll try my best to go walking every time. Every Saturday, my day off. See, I'll go to the fountain. I want to see the water fountain. The water tank is here. The water tank is here. See, it's that one. Wala si daan, water fountain. The water fountain. This is the big water fountain. So all of the park I went to. There's the big water fountain. But it's not dancing, not like Dubai. The water fountain in Dubai is dancing. See? There. That's the water fountain. A big water fountain. Yes, see? A big water fountain. Yes. Here, I'm here, yes. And Calidia Family Park. I'm in Calidia Family Park. Nobody wants to come with me. That's why I'm alone. Yes.